Hello and welcome. My name is István and today I will present you my sniper bot. So let's jump in and see what is a sniper bot. You probably heard of meme coins and the potential investment gains of it. Early buyers, I mean really early buyers, can make 10, 100 or maybe 1000x. The purpose of this bot is to buy early as possible, scanning the Uniswap decentralized exchange, and will buy new tokens if they met a specific criteria. I choose an Ethereum Layer 2 solution, the base chain, because the transaction fees are very low. I have created the bot using Node.js, and the blockchain-specific code was written in Solidity. So let's see in action. Okay, I will start the bot with the node bot.js command, and until the bot is scanning for the new token pairs, let me explain a little bit the code. So first of all, the bot is assuming we have a deployed sniper trade contract on the base chain. So I mentioned the sniper trade contract is responsible for buying and selling the tokens on the Uniswap decentralized exchange, and also in some scenarios we have options for withdrawing the tokens. So we have the contract address here, and yeah, that's it about the contract. And let's see the bot, how it's working. So we have the capability to running on the Uniswap version 3 and also on the version 2. But right now I don't like to use the version 2 because there is a lot of scam tokens, and yeah, I don't want to lose money on it. So about the version 3, let's see what happens if the bot finds a new token pair. So if this new token pair must includes the wrapped ether, because the wrapped ether is our main swapping token, and with wrapped ether we will swap. Yep. So if the new token pair is including the wrapped ether, then we can go forward and checking the pool swaps. So in the pool swaps, we will create the contract and some additional configuration for the swapping. And this event is responsible for every swap event. So if anybody making a swap on this pool address, we will trigger this event. So this event is basically checking for swap frequencies. So what I mean about swap frequency. So for example, in a specific time, for example in 5 seconds, we will get a lot of swaps in this pool. It means there are a lot of buyers in a really short period of time, and it means there is a potential to gain this token. So basically the condition for buying a token, we are looking for the swap frequency. So there is a lot of configurations here, but the main concept is if a lot of buyers coming in a really short period of time, it means there is a potential for a big gain for the token, and also we will buy this token. So you can see here if the swap frequency reached our condition, and then we will check for token security. And there is an additional security for scam tokens. We will use the Go Plus security check, and yeah, if the token is secure based from Go Plus security, then we will try to buy the token. If it's not, we have also a retry mechanism in it for buying. We try to retry 3 times. Yeah, for example, the first time it's failing, then we will have a second and third attempt for buying the token. Yeah, sometimes the blockchain is failing transactions, and yeah, therefore we need to retry the transaction. So yeah, basically that's the concept of it. The main thing is the swap frequency. Yeah, you can see here are the settings for it. We are looking also for the first 16 swaps, and in this specific interval we got the frequency reaching the six swaps in 9 seconds. Then we will buy the token, try to buy the token, I mean, because sometimes it's not happening. So let's check the logs. What we got here? So on with blue color, the logs are showing the new pools. So here, new pools, nothing interesting, just new pools coming, no swaps until this time. So with white color, I log the swap event. For example, for this specific pool, we got a lot of swaps, and also matching our swap frequency. Earlier, I mentioned this swap frequency, what I use for the condition to buy a new token. So if there are a lot of swaps between a specific time interval, it means there are a lot of new buyers coming in, and this means it will be a popular token. So in this scenario, the swap frequency reached our criteria, and we are checking here the token security with Go Plus. Unfortunately, the Go Plus didn't get any response for us. Therefore, we are buying without security check. So there are 2 scenarios here: one with security check and one without. This means if we got the token security and the token is secure, we are using a bigger amount wrapped ether amount for swapping, and if we didn't get the token security, it means the token can be secure or can be a scam token. It doesn't matter. In this scenario, we are using a lesser amount of wrapped ether, and we are trying to swap with these amounts. Okay, and this is a specific scenario with the retry option. The first attempt failing, the blockchain failed our transaction, and it is reverted. And on the second attempt we got a success, and therefore we just bought a new token. You can sell it with this address, and you can check the price on a pool address with this. So this is a successful scenario. The token selling is manual. You should go to the contract and call the specific sell function of it. And let's see what we got here. So this is also another swap event. The token, the swap frequency, it just stopped because it's reached the limit. It's also reached the limit. Oh, here again. So if you see, we got 4 swaps, but after 4 swaps, this is specific pool pair, the wet and build on Wiction just stopped, and probably the bot will not buy it. So yeah, that is the main concept. For the coloring the locks, I just used for red color for frequency, swap frequency stopping, and also transaction errors. The blue, what I mentioned, is for pool addresses. The white is for swap events. And we got the specific yellow one for selling the token manually. If you see this yellow one, it means it's a new token which is reachable on the contract, and it can be sold on that. And here it is another one, the same scenario, no token security, the first attempt failing, and the second attempt is a success on the transaction from the blockchain. So basically this is how the bot works. Thank you for your patience and have a good day.